Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, shopping, DIYs, all that. So if you like all that different type of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today's Dollar Tree haul. Today is a Dollar Tree haul and it's my weekend haul. I'm going away for the weekend, and so this is what I got and accumulated from this weekend starting today. So definitely grab a snack, subscribe, let's get into it. First thing I got is another one of these hair milks. I love this. So got this from my travel bag. Then I got this 2-pack of the turmeric, Indian turmeric 2-step peel and mask hydrating. You get a peel pad and the sheet mask in a pack of 2. Bargain. Then I found these and I think they're so cute. So you know what? I got it. I did get them. I got one as a gift and then one for like a shot glass party gift. So this is the toddler tumbler, and literally little toddler Stanleys are we getting. So these are the 2 colors they had. So perfect as gifts too. So that is the start to this weekend haul. Hopefully I find some goodies throughout this haul. Okay, we're back from my weekend haul out of town. So we found some goodies, some repeats, some goodies. First thing we got is the Plum Beauty Glass Petty Polisher. So this puffs and smooths and exfoliates skin. So we got that, perfect for at-home pedicures, definitely. Then we got this new claw clip, and I'm obsessed. Like, how adorable is this, though? Oh, duh, it's double-sided, but I didn't realize. Anyway, look how cute it is. So we definitely got this one. And I know there's some more hair stuff. Then, by Madison Tyler, we have this little cowgirl boot hair clip. Are we kidding? This is literally the cutest thing ever. So then we have this hair clip. How adorable is that one? So we have her, or that. Then we've got this. It's the Wicked Fabulous One Lip Mask, firming, hydrating, soothing, and rejuvenating. So we have the green one. Then with lips, we have the Beauty Impressions Lip Plumping Juicy Glaze in Vitamin E. This one's probably my favorite, hence restock. Then my aunt got this for her purse, but I wanted to haul it. So it's the Nourishing Lip Balm and Coconut Lime Scented. I've heard good and bad things on that. Then I love this, so I got a restock. The Apple Crisp pH Kiss Balm reacts to skin's natural pH. Then I love the Le Mercier powder, so I got the Translucent Coverage Press Firming Powder in Velvet Veil. Blurs pores. So got that. Then super random, but I love new Uganda, and these are new. They're the Wild Mint Quick Pick Plaque Removers. You get 2 in 1 toothpick, and you get 16 here. Perfect for purses, travel, cart, whatever. So we definitely got that. Then by Le Mercier, we have the stunning satin lip tint in velvety matte texture, and it just looks like this. So I cannot wait to actually try that. Then we got the LA Colors Duo Lip Liner. I don't remember ever seeing this shade Cuteness, so that's why I picked it up. Then we have this Madison Tyler little cowgirl hat hair clip. I think it's so cute. Then we have LA Colors Contour Stick in medium. I don't know if they just repackaged or reformulated, but we got that. Then we have the blush stick in pink satin. Again, it looks different. Who knows if it's different, if it's the same, just repackaged, but we got that. Then we got new colors of the microfiber facial pads. I love these, and the new colors are cute. So then I saw these extra large elastics in like the hair section, and I don't know. I feel like these are just I feel like I can use them as headbands or whatever. So got these. Then again by Madison Tyler. We got the more girly hat. How cute are these though? And then we have a new makeup puff. It looks like this. It's triangular. I think that's it. Yeah, triangular. So let's open her up and see. Yeah, so just like this, and then, you know, just their simple little puff. But still, I'm a fan of these, so we got that one. Then, by Lee Mercier, we have the Hydrating Glow Makeup Setting Spray Long Lasting Dewy Formula. I love the pink one now. I don't know if this is just repackaged or not, but I loved it, so I was like, I'm going to try this one out, so I got that. Then, I'm going to cut it out of the packaging, but by the Eben brand that we've seen before, we got a new lipstick, Eben New York, yeah. And this is in Dash, which I don't ever remember seeing, so we just got that. And again, that just comes in this, like, in that packaging that's like that. So that's for that bag. Let's go on to the next. Okay, then I got another package of the Hedgehog dryer balls because they're great. Then, these are new, by BioPure Single-Use Alcohol Swabs, Snap Tip to Activate. I feel like these are fantastic for, like, travel or whatever. So, like, little Q-tips that you snap and alcohol comes on them. So, I feel like that's a pretty great find, so. Then, we have these elastics, and how cute are they? They're, like, half Sherpa. They're, like, mostly Sherpa, and then, like, two just normal. But I love the colors. Then I just got another hand sanitizer case because I have an extra sanitizer that I need to fill it. Then by Power Stick, we have the Brazilian Mist Hairspray, notes of pistachio and salted caramel. So I love the everything Brazilian Mist, like the body wash, the mist, the hair detangler. So I cannot wait to try the hairspray, honestly. So I got that. Then, oh yeah, I did get another setting spray from my travel bag. Hopefully I like it. Then, by Scunci, we have the No Damage Super Comfy All Hair Elastics 6-piece. So, I love these, so we got that. Then, we got the Kabuki brush with case. And then, here it is. So, I use this for contour. So we got that. Then I got the Global Beauty Care Cream Face Masks, and you get 3 in here. You get smoothing, hydrating, and purifying. So I'm excited to try that. Then I'm going to take it out of the package, so I'm not blinding you guys. But this is just the makeup sponge with case. And it's just like the little coffee cup with the beauty blender. I love these. And there's like a drainage so it doesn't like mildew in here. I just love these, and I wanted this shade because I have the dark brown. I wanted this shade. And this is the packaging. But super fun. I love that. Then I got the Spa Therapy Vanilla Cream Post Shave Serum. Now, I used the other shaving thing that is part of this that you use in the shower. It was fantastic. My legs were never so smooth. So now I got the post shave cream to try that out. Then the Prolux is coming back. I think I did a whole review on this. I'm pretty sure I did. I love this. And this is the new and improved Prolux Matte Foundation. And this one is in sand. And then I also got ivory just because I really don't like the shades are kind of hard to match. So I just got both. I might get a few other shades like besides the really, really dark ones, like the lighter ones, to see which one is really going to fit. But yeah, Prolux is back. Last bag from this weekend. So first off, I got the brightening toner pads by Global Beauty Care. I think that's just a repackaging and they did new packaging, but I do love these, so I just got this one. I wanted to try the new packaging. And then we got the clarifying ones too. I love the new packaging actually. So we got that. Then we got some new soaps. So In a Lather vegetable glycerin soap. So it looks like this with all these daisies. And it says Daisy, rare Arolla stone pine and delicate white blossoms weave through this whimsical floral bar. Do not eat. So we have this one. And then we have this sea turtle one. How cute is that? And this is family sea turtles swimming in a coconut lime lagoon. So these are new, and these are $1.25. And then I got the Foamy Cleansing Face Bar, normal to dry skin. And that's me, so I'm excited to try this out. Then this little lip gloss is Crazier. LA Colors Tinted Lip Oil in Crazier. Got that one. And then, what's this? Oh, super random. But I got this heavy duty DIY craft industrial strength glue stick. You just never know when this will come in handy, so I picked that up. Then, again, super random, but I just got one of these cute little wooden leather boards. I think these are adorable, so just picked one of those up for funsies. Then we have these new cosmetic bags. And how cute is this color number 1? And these are $1.25. Yeah, I just think it's super cute. It's not like crazy deep, but I feel like you could use it as like a wristlet or whatever. And then it has this little pocket. I hope it's not a fake pocket. Okay, yeah, this is a fake pocket. Okay. I didn't realize that. Yeah, cute little cosmetic bag, wristlet, whatever. Because the strap is cute, so we got that. Then these are super old, but I got the little makeup brush and with like the sprinkles, so we got that. And there's a reason I got that, because oldie but a goodie. The highlight powder by Ioni. This is in Glow, brighten and shine, soft texture. So I got that little sprinkle brush for this little highlighter. I wanted to try it. And then another, my favorite probably restock, is the lip balm in Creamy Caramel. Got that. Then to finish off this haul, we got 3 new things. Dupes, let's go. So by Be Pure, we got the Glow Up highlighting stick with watermelon extract, dewy glow with shimmer. So we got that one. And then we got the Glow Up gel primer with watermelon extract, dewy finish. So we have that. Then the last one is the Glow Up lip oil with watermelon extract, moisturized lips. So I was so stoked to find this line because I'm so excited to try it. So we got that. But that completes my little out of town different stores Dollar Tree haul. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, what I should be on the hunt for, your favorite item. And definitely don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video.